Hi, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Safe Hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Safe Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Arevalo.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I found your reservation for the last room for 2 nights. May I see your ID for verification?
Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Would you like to request any services during your stay?
Yes, we would like extra pillow and cargo something in please.
Clark, can you please assist Mr. Arevalo and Ms. Ivan with your luggage to the room 508?
Certainly. Right this way, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, sir, this is today.
Ma'am, sir, if you need restaurant reservation or door accommodation, feel free to ask me anytime.
Oh, sounds great. We'll check with you later.
Excuse me, ma'am. Before you head up, please take note that our breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. under your restaurant on the second floor. If you need anything else, please dial 0 on your telephone.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Safe Hotel. We hope you have a pleasant stay. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you. We're looking forward to a great stay.